Hey guys, I'm Sam with VoiceSifter, and I just wanted to do a little informational video about what VoiceSifter is and how we specifically work with restoration companies. So, VoiceSifter is a customer insight platform centered around text message communication. Our dashboard tracks helpful KPIs like your net promoter score, your average rating over time, and other useful metrics. Really, we make communicating with all of your customers in one space easy. So with our platform, you can send out hundreds of text messages in one click. Mass texting is the new solution and to get in front of your customers. So typically what happens with a current restoration project is you get a customer, you do the project, and then maybe after the project you're sending a survey, maybe not. But the problem with that is you're not finding out if your customer is satisfied until after a project is finished. And so we thought, how can we fix this and how can we introduce a new touch point where we can talk to the customers during the project? And so with VoiceSifter, you can send out a midway survey. Check the pulse of how happy your customers are at that time. You can send a welcome message to all of your customers. Hey, welcome to our company. Here's a number that you can text at any point in time. And here's some frequently asked questions, and we can link them to your page. This is a branded image, would come with your logo. And with this, what we found was if there was an unhappy customer, we were able to help flip them over and resolve whatever issue was going on. So with our surveys that happen, there's smart surveys, just 2 questions. One is qualitative, one is quantitative. And so when you have an unhappy customer, they're going to be directed to a manager. When you have a happy customer, your promoter, we can direct them to your social media sites, helping you to get more reviews and populate, whether it be Google, Yelp, Facebook, whatever it is that you're looking for. So VoiceSifter offers you quite a few tools here, and I could keep going on in more depth, but hopefully we can connect for a call and see if VoiceSifter would be a good fit for you. Thanks. Oh yeah, question. How much does a software something like this cost? So our starting price is $99, and that gets you 3 venues and 1,000 messages. So pretty affordable here, and yeah, thanks.